Hi, my name is Molly Stewart. I'm a master's student in the mechanical engineering department, and I'm from Livonia, New York. I got my bachelor's in mechanical engineering, and I went here to Clarkson, and I had minors in biomedical engineering and math. During undergrad, I did research with my current advisor now, and I really liked it. And he sort of convinced me to stay around, and also I was on the basketball team here at Clarkson, and I had another year of eligibility, so I sort of used that this year and did mine. So when I went into engineering, I always just wanted to use my engineering degree to help people. So I really liked the biomedical side of mechanical engineering when I got that biomedical engineering minor. So I started a job at Regeneron Pharmaceuticals, and I'm working in the device side of the department of that, designing the devices that go with the drugs they produce, which helps people with different diseases and stuff. So my research is investigating how blunt force trauma to the larynx affects speech. My advisor is Dr. Byron Erath. So basically what I do is I use a flow facility that represents the human airway and lungs, and I use synthetic vocal fold models and basically introduce asymmetries to these models that arise due to these blunt injuries, and sort of study how the models produce speech, and then make conclusions about how these injuries affect speech. And it's actually pretty cool because it's a personal. So when I was in 4th grade, I was in an accident where I had blunt force trauma to the larynx. So it's really been a full circle moment where I had this injury, I had to get a couple emergency surgeries, and then I come to college and I start studying something that's really personal to my life. So it's been really rewarding and awesome. And then another cool thing about doing this research is I got to reconnect with the surgeon who performed my first emergency surgery, and sort of talked to him about my research and asked him for what he thought about it, get any more ideas for what we could do to improve it. And so that was really awesome, and I don't know, that's when it all hit me. I was I'm doing this research that and then talking to my surgeon, and he's giving me suggestions. It was just really amazing, and I'm super grateful for Clarkson and finding that my advisor, and he let me sort of start this project that he didn't. He did voice speech stuff, but he was this thing that happened to you, we could potentially look into that if you'd be interested, and it's been really cool. So my favorite thing about my time at Clarkson is probably all the people I've gotten to meet and connect with. I've formed a lot of connections here. Being able to study something directly related to my life, and then end up writing up a master's thesis on it now. That's definitely been one of the, if not the best thing. And then also being able to play on the basketball team while also studying engineering. That's been good. Yeah, so for prospective grad students, I'd say if you're thinking about it and you're maybe unsure if you can do it, I think you definitely can. There's lots of people, especially here at Clarkson, that'll help you get through.